Oh, I was just looking for something.
Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So, we've been decorating today. The house is getting put together. The Christmas lights are up. It's cold outside. We got our tree at Lowe's. Yeah, shout out to all these Christmas tree lights. You guys are insane with some of your prices. My goodness. Anyways, we've been working on decorating stuff all day, and it's cold outside, so we are thinking a hearty dinner. So, we're thinking a New Orleans style jambalaya, spicy sausage, shrimp, a little bit of rice in there.
And guess who's cooking today?
And I guess I'm cooking it today. A little bit of a backstory. Last January 2018, so almost a year ago, we posted this same video. But we wanted to redo it because I've been making it throughout the year and I've spiced it up a little bit and I've gotten real good at it. So, without further ado, it's jambalaya time. And are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Here we go! Oh, hello, Santa babe. Your job is the garlic.
I'll do the garlic.
Okay.
The hard stuff.
The hard stuff.
Hard.
All right, let's talk about what we need. So we are doing this the simplest way possible. Those are different peppers, already pre-cut like that. I'm gonna slice them up a little bit more. Celery and onion, 1 can. I like San Marzano. 1 little can. Chopped up tomatoes, chicken broth, shrimpies. Look at this Italian sausage. Look at the shadow right there. But boom, let's talk about the spices. Crushed red pepper, Cajun, bay leaves, a little bit of cayenne, and thyme. Cast iron pan, cast iron babe.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, babe. So yeah, this is literally like a super hearty, easy, awesome jambalaya. So everything that you'll need to know, it's in the description below. But just follow along real quick. It's Sunday night. We got a lot of activities going on here. So let's get to cooking.
You don't wash the sausage, babe.
I didn't say wash. I mean,
You
when
only
we're all
wash
done, we're gonna wash the scissors.
sausage.
So you just want to get these cut up. I like the sausage. I like the Italian sausage. I get the hot ones because I don't think that they're that hot. But get whatever ones you want of Italian sausage and cut the pieces however you want. Remember, when you're cooking them in the cast iron, they're going to shrink down.
What size is that? Like 1 inch?
Calrose. I don't know. We like this rice. It's fairly inexpensive and it's good quality rice. Calrose.
You have to wash it a lot.
Yeah.
Like really wash. We let it sit.
Let's
in the
open
rice
this.
washer.
Let's open this.
Okay.
This is just a variety of rainbow colored bell peppers. Try and maybe zoom in more on the board, not on me.
Okay.
And don't get my big belly.
Oh.
I'm just cutting them down a little bit. Medium heat, cast iron skillet. Just a baby bit of olive oil, just to wet your whistle.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Nice to talk to you, babe.
How are you?
So we're gonna start with the sausages. I want to get them browned up a little bit. We're garlic freaks, so.
Yeah. That looks pretty good, babe.
Are you in there, babe? I'm like a child. Santa baby. Yeah, babe. You're Santa baby.
So yeah, I know. I knew you'd get me in the kitchen sometime.
Yeah, babe.
And guess who's cooking today?
And I guess I'm cooking it today. I'll get those in the kitchen right now. Ah! So now, babe, is gonna saute that garlic with those Italian sausages as they're browning up. That's an intense amount of garlic. I don't think I've ever done that much garlic.
I think that was a whole head.
Woo! We're gonna be stinking tonight.
Ooh, we're gonna make out with garlic breath. Mmm. Yeah, babe.
Celery and onion.
All of it?
Yeah. It's about a half cup of celery, half cup of onion, so. And then we're gonna add in some more ingredients, babe. Yeah, look at babe. Look at her cooking slippers. Look at her Santa hat. If the cop thing doesn't work out, maybe I could be a singer.
I guess so.
I really like these tomatoes. Anything the certified San Marzano, all that. Don't buy like Dole or what. Buy some good tomatoes. It's like $1 more, but it's a game changer on your spaghettis, on your pastas, on jumbo. Anything. These are a game changer, 100%.
Switch.
Hi, and welcome back. Look at my ugly face.
You're not ugly.
All right.
You're the most handsome man I know.
Oh, that you know?
Most handsome man ever.
What about Kent Vanderweerd?
He's handsome too. I think he could be my dad. You could too, actually.
I'm late 20s.
Because you're so old.
I'm late 20s.
You're like...
You're late 40s. I'm late 20s. All right, 1 cup. 1 heaping cup. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it.
Like sprinkles on a cupcake?
Yeah, like sprinkles on this jambalaya.
Okay, and then what are you going to do, babe?
I'm going to stir. Lots of stirring going on. Pretty soon we're going to add some chicken broth in a minute because it's about to get thick.
Switch. Welcome back to Cooking with Babe. Smash like if you like me.
Yeah, babe. 2 cups of chicken broth.
Okay.
I got the low sodium because of my blood pressure.
That's good, babe.
Actually, my blood pressure's fine. I just don't want it to be high again.
Yeah.
The very, very last step is going to be the shrimp, but
Where does that go in?
that's the very last step. We still got to simmer for like 20 minutes covered. But now it's spicy time. Now it's time to add the spice, babe.
Okay, I'll let you do the spice.
The spice is like the make it or break it part of this whole thing. Like, if you want it spicy, if you don't, whatever the case may be. I don't know. I go crazy with the spices.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do the spices.
All right, let's do it. All right. Warning, warning, warning. This is you. However you want to make your jambalaya. This is how I like to do it. I've experimented around a couple different times. I like it hot and spicy with the shrimp and the...
Like you like your women?
Yeah, babe, because you're hot and spicy. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of the Cajun, and then I'm gonna throw in some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna throw in some crushed red pepper, stuff like that. This is, what is this? A half a tablespoon. So this is Cajun. I've used fresh thyme, and I don't know. It's quick. It's Sunday night. I'm just going with that. I'm gonna do like a teaspoon of that. This is like a half a teaspoon. It's like a heaping half a teaspoon of cayenne. And then I'll do like a crushed red pepper flake. I don't know. I just do like a little sprinkle. I want to mix all those, as Kirby says, layers of flavor. I usually like to do 4 full bay leaves, but that's all we have left in the house. We need to cover this, babe, and we need to let it simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Okay. Well, that is simmering. You're meal prepping for me. Sriracha honey glazed delicious turkey meatballs with rice.
I still don't.
I'm gonna eye card above of how we make these. This is the greatest, healthiest meal prep option alive.
Disgusting. Every week of your life, every single week, every day, every week, you eat honey sriracha meatballs. Blech.
Babe, they're so good. They're so good.
The smell of them even grosses me.
Seriously, they're so good. We've been simmering for 20 minutes, huh,
Almost.
Santa baby? And now turn up the heat back to medium.
Okay.
And add in the shrimpy and keep stirring, and we're about done.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go to final portrait picture now. All right, there it is, the final product. Let's get close. This is the shot that's gonna make you wanna subscribe. Better? Salt and pepper. Add salt and pepper, people.
Tell your friend Veronica, it's time to celebrate Hanukkah. Oh, boy, get a harmonica on this lovely, lovely
I love that
Hanukkah.
jambalaya. It's delicious. It's super yummy. I like it a lot.
It turned out great, I thought.
You did a great job.
I mean, we can make it more spicy, less spicy. You added a little bit of salt and it's perfect. And remember folks, once you put it in the refrigerator and you eat it tomorrow, all the flavors, all the layers of flavor and all the spices and everything,
They get married.
They get married, and then it's way more bold tomorrow. So keep that in mind.
Yeah.
All right.
It was good, babe.
I don't know
Good
about this
job.
angle right now, but
It's great.
all right.
You're shrunk down to your
Yep.
knees, and I'm up on my tippy toes, and I'm almost as tall as you.
Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.
Merry Christmas.
Tonight's the first night of Hanukkah. That's when we're recording this.
Yeah.
All right, babe.
For your people.
All right, babe. That's it.
Okay.
All right. See you later.